Hi guys, my name is Chris, and today I want to show you my breezer window I just got installed for the Cybertruck. Let me take this applique off to give you a better view. Now the breezer solves the problem of getting airflow from the cabin into the vault. If you want to camp, if you have dogs, pets, it's a great way to do that. Now what it is, it replaces your normal back window. It installs by a normal auto glass place, and so it involves an insert and another smaller window that you could remove and put back in place. Now to remove it, 4 clips on the top, and it comes out of the track on the bottom, and then to reinstall you just put it back in the track and put it into the 4 clips. And that's that. It's reinstalled. Now the cover comes up as normal and closes as normal. And then it feeds back in just as it normally would. Now, breezer, it's in the mail. I have the inside piping to take air from a vent from the truck, and you clip the end onto the panel that has the holes, and you get your airflow in back. And that's a short little review of the breezer.